Hi. So we're doing good progress, and so right now we're I think very close to the Krishnanagar bypass. Just look at the roads. So I would recommend. I think I said earlier on that if you're coming from the Kolkata side, first take the Kolani Expressway, not the Barashat Modhangram route that we took, and then it will be like this all the way through. Just keep watching. We're very close to our first halt, which is Mother's Hut. It's quite a special place. It is run by women. I believe it's an NGO, a charitable organization, and whatever you spend there, they have. I think they have a curio shop, gift shop. So whatever you spend there goes towards their own upkeep. So it's more like a self-help group for women. So yeah, I request everybody to support them if you're on this route. Just stop by for a small meal, a snack, or even a big lunch or a dinner. Keep watching.